Welcome to 5th episode. In this episode, we are going to discuss about the legal part. Şule, hi again. Şule, as a foreigner, we discussed with online sales, that means client, they are not here. If they were here, it was going to be very easy. We would take the client to any notary office and get the power of attorney to make all the process. But in this case, when they are not in Turkey, they should make a power of attorney for your name or for their legal representative. In this case, is it easy to prepare and give power of attorney from any foreign country? What they should do?
Yes, it's very easy actually. And there are two ways to issue power of attorney. And we recommend the first way always. You know, there are many Turkish embassies all over the world. So they can take appointment at one of the Turkish embassy and just issue power of attorney on lawyer's name. So it's that easy. And second way is to issue power of attorney at local notary in their country. This option is available only if there is no translator in the Turkish embassy or due to pandemic they are closed. So if we can't go through with Turkish embassy, we suggest them to go to local notary and issue power of attorney there and get apostille on the documents. And in this way, this will be a valid power of attorney in Turkey.
Şule, to give power of attorney someone, that means I'm giving all the power to you or to my representative. And people are really concerned about this. Imagine you are giving all the power to somebody else and you need to trust them. So in this case, they are easily thinking like, can they put some restrictions or can they limit the power of attorney or can they give it for some main purpose like getting citizenship or any other limits like putting a date, so after getting citizenship it will not be valid anymore. Can they do these kind of things?
Yeah, that's totally possible. They can restrict the powers only for citizenship purposes. And they can also determine the time period as well.
We are hearing lots of things from, they give all this power to some people who are not legal advisors, not professionals, just to get the citizenship with very small amounts, but they are really not in the legal part of the law. So what would you suggest? You think it is okay to give this power of attorney to any people, or they should work with lawyers? What do you suggest about this?
Yes, I strongly recommend to hire a lawyer, not an ordinary person in this case, because lawyer will have all the knowledge and will have all information about the process, okay? And these people who are into business, who are not a lawyer, will put you on a really serious risk. I hear such things they assign someone and they follow their process. And at the end, they have to hire a lawyer because they do mistakes. And, to recover from these mistakes is really, really hard.
Exactly. I think it is same thing with driving a car. If you give the car who has not have a driving license, then it's possible they will hit the wall. That's why we also recommend everybody to work with the professionals. Even for the agencies, for the legal part, we strongly recommend this.
Your legal service will be your insurance actually, so you should definitely hire a lawyer.
Şule, also let's talk about a family. If this family wants to get citizenship and the father is the potential buyer who is investing that money, all the family should give separate power of attorney for the legal advisor, or just if the father do it, is it enough?
Actually, we need investors and spouse power of attorney only, not the children. Investors power of attorney is not enough. So for citizenship, wife also has to give power of attorney.
What about children?
Children doesn't have to issue a power of attorney because in our civil law, if parents are Turkish, children under 18 years old can be Turkish citizen.
So they got the citizenship with the father and mother, as I understood. Şule, we have another scenario. What happens if the parents got divorced? Can they both get citizenship?
No, it's not possible. Divorced wife or husband cannot get the citizenship. Only investors and children under 18 years old can get the citizenship.
In this case, children needs a special permission or something, how it works?
Yes, actually divorced wife or husband has to give permission for their children to be Turkish citizen. So this permission will be given at the notary.
Şule, thanks a lot. It was really very informative talk and hope to see you again soon and we will discuss other things also.
You're welcome. I hope to see you again too.
We try to answer all your questions about the legal part of getting Turkish citizenship. Please follow our YouTube and Instagram channels. We will keep making new videos about the Turkish citizenship and you can get much more information. Thank you.